In the harsh midday sun, these resilient jackfruit saplings are carefully placed, row by row.
Swelling directly from the trunk, the baby jackfruit begins its rapid growth, its soft spikes capturing the intense desert light. To protect the young jackfruit from the harsh desert elements, the workers carefully secure each one in a breathable mesh bag. To handle the notoriously sticky jackfruit latex, the harvester must first thoroughly coat both his hands and the blade in oil.
Look at the size of that thing. We finally did it. A perfect specimen. This one will feed the whole town.
Weighing up to 100 pounds, these giant jackfruits are carefully stacked only too high for their journey through the desert.
Lower it slowly now. Watch the branch on the left. All right, bring it down here.
Within the massive structure, dozens of golden bulbs are packed in tight, mesmerizing spirals around the core. These giant jackfruits are meticulously broken down by hand, revealing the highly prized, vibrant golden bulbs within. On this automated line, the young green jackfruit is rapidly sorted, cleaned, and packed in brine before sealed. Here in the expansive packing hall, efficiency is paramount. These towering pallets of jackfruit products are ready for global distribution.
Oh my goodness, it's incredible. It feels softer than it looks.
The versatile jackfruit, seen here in both its raw golden bulbs and as a savory pulled sandwich, is quickly becoming a staple across the continent.